morning, guys and girls. I'm running a little behind. Kiddo stayed home today. He kind of threw up everywhere, so I was kind of dealing with that.
Judge Williams says Fed policy is barely restrictive now. OP,
Good morning, good morning, good luck, good
Powell
luck.
pricing their
Good morning.
$15.2 million offering. Oscar Papa.
Snuck up on me.
Sorry. Yeah, my son woke up not feeling well. I was seeing if he'd get better, but then he started throwing up all over the steps. So
Ocean Powell pricing their 15 million unit offering at a
I can't hear you. What'd you say? Awesome. At least on the
gross
hardware.
proceeds of $15.15 million.
ZCMT.
There's a Ocean Powell dropping $1.05 on that.
PRFX YOLO.
QUBT.
AMD is spiking.
FBIO.
As Williams says, financial conditions have gotten tighter. I'm focused on financial conditions that relate to monetary policy. Says
FBIO.
financial conditions seem broadly consistent with the Fed's outlook on policy.
FRSH Big Co on earnings.
Williams says if financial conditions loosen too much, we would have to go higher on rates.
QUBT.
QUBT up.
BBAI.
You watching anything, Thomas?
No, AMD had me interested, but I'm like, damn, I don't know.
I know. I looked
PRFX
at it,
took
I'm
some
interested,
pennies.
but I'm not doing it.
ASML,
It scares me
IBB
right now.
swing trader chart alert.
HA.
Papa Sandy Michael Lima.
XPOF. PRFX. Dale.
I wanted Fresh to pop over 18. Did not do it. Dancing around.
AMD trying more.
Yeah, I don't trust.
And the SPY's chilling, and AMD's shooting up.
Yeah.
OP, Ocean Powell shares selling off
DVNA is
here,
spiking
87
too.
cents now, down
I don't like that.
27% on the following the pricing of their offering.
Doing basically exactly what AMD's doing, just a lot smaller scale.
That's Oscar Papa. Williams says we still have work to do to get the economy into balance. Lags in our actions also take time. We need to take that into consideration.
Shastina, UT, Hadley, Abel, Jag. Morning, by the way. I'm not having a very good morning.
QUBT.
Yeah, I spiked too. I didn't even see that one. Guess I saw everything.
NEWR.
Okay.
Just got in AI.
GLG. EVAX.
AI 107K.
I was hoping QUBT would have gave us a much bigger push through 50 than that.
Grob.
Guess LA Tesla shares getting a pop here. Tango Sandy Lima Alpha.
Watching CVNA.
CVNA up. LCID as well.
Grob.
EVLV up.
Feds Williams says
ICU.
demand in our economy is much stronger right now than in normal times.
TWLV. LGHL.
Tesla shares now spiking here, 197.91. Tesla shares up $1 at high. ESLA.
Order filled.
S&P futures ticking higher, 41.58.50.
CVNA starts. Same, missed wash by Apenta.
I started CVNA looking for the quick 14 retest. I had my order at 04, got the 06 sometimes.
ICU. ICU.
I'm not really big on it. Just looking for the 14 retest.
EVLV dollar on way.
Tesla shares continuing higher, seeing call activity now in Tesla.
Thanks D.
LGHL.
ICU. Medical halted on a circuit breaker, India Charlie uniform.
ICU 46K, halted.
Order filled.
A10 Network seeing a spike in volume here now. Share spiking.
LCID
Following
starter.
their earnings report yesterday. That's Alpha Tango Echo November. ATN.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Lock on CVNA.
Lock CVNA.
No. IBIT, ABST.
Not a huge fan of this one, to be honest. See what it does here if it tries to get through 12 again.
LGHL.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Dollar LCID.
All out of lucid.
Yeah, I missed that one.
Trying to hold leftovers on CVNA, seeing if it could get back down to that 1380 area.
I didn't like the way that was trading, and I got my first trade was all right, but I didn't get the dump like we wanted. But then I got in again and got a shitty fill on my starter.
Yeah, I'm not in love with it either. Looking like I probably should have took.
QUBT dollar. CVNA out all.
SECO, SICU, shares moving again today, $3.84.
For now.
And the Echo Charlie Oscar.
Order filled.
ARQQ up. EVLVLNT.
Added back some CVNA, just kind of looking to get out. Could have just cut it through the highs there, to be honest. But
LGHL.
How it bounced right there off my average. Just kind of hoping that was the push down.
IBIO. IBIO. ARQQ.
Kind of makes sense.
IBIO,
Like
iBio
previous
shares popping to the
really
highs,
low higher.
$1.50.
CBNA.
Order filled.
ARQQ dollar.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
XPOF DCT. TMCI.
BBAI up.
IBIO.
TMDI shares to resume in 5 minutes at 9:50 a.m.
AI. CBNA. TMCI. CBNA.
Order cancelled.
AI.
Messing with that stupid 0.5R thing is going to cost me because I would have got an ad up over 15 of some sort. That's going to bounce literally right off my average. That's so brutal. I would have got some kind of an ad if I wasn't messing with that stupid 0.5R thing.
KD Kindrill Holdings shares hitting $15.65 at the high of 15% following their
I would have
earnings
at least
report.
got most of it off there.
That's Kilo Delta. Feds Williams says future Fed rate cuts more about adjusting
Order
to lower
filled.
inflation. Feds Williams says we'll need to maintain restrictive rates for a few years.
ICU.
It's going to be brutal if that's a fake out.
ICU resuming after a circuit breaker halt.
ICU open.
Don't tease me like that. Come on.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order partially filled.
WISA, Reset Technologies.
AUBTARQQLNT.
Sandy Alpha.
CVNA dollar. QUBT asterisk.
Order cancelled.
TMDI resuming trade now after their news strategic review. Tango Michael Delta India. TMDI share is now at 35 cents,
Sequel.
down 60% after the company earlier announced strategic review to prioritize a sale of all or a portion of the company's assets. That's Tango Michael Delta India.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
BBAI.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
All out CVNA.
All out of CVNA.
Hoo at Tim.
Really wanted that thing to break down, but it just won't.
Sequel. Sequel.
Yep, and I got lost in my trade. I made some back, but still got lost. So, fighting for red right now.
Spiking to the high on heavy volume. Charlie Victor November Alpha.
Made a little back on AI long. Oh, sure, so yeah.
Sequel. Sequel.
Sequel and TB.
Sequel. Sequel.
CVNA probably. Yep.
AMD, CVNA, and
Fed's
AI
Cook
are
says
trading like
inflation
identical.
is still running too high, even though it has moderated. That's the Fed Governor Lisa Cook. MSGM, Motorsports Games, continuing higher now, over $15, up 14%.
I think he's going to be on a cruise. He wouldn't be trading
MSGM
on
29
Wi-Fi in the
KTB.
Caribbean. Yeah, but when you're on a cruise, I mean, that's a little different. If you're going somewhere and staying for like 7 days and they have like Wi-Fi or Ethernet or something, that's understandable. But on a cruise, nah, I'm good. Uber? Rebound? What are you talking about? Look at that daily. Or are you talking about today? Scaling into the dip? Yeah, these are tough because looking at the daily, this thing was super extended. Was this earning? What was this some kind of news in the morning? I'm not exactly sure, to be honest. Normally I don't eat this early, but
NYT Big Co.
well, you have to think. Now, obviously, this isn't financial advice, but
Earnings at
you
12
have to
my
look
chart
at
says.
the daily. Before earnings, that thing already went up $4. So, gotta kind of take that into account. It might have already been priced in, and this could have just been some like retail hype after the earnings here, and it was good.
MSGM is scary.
I mean, like I said, I don't know. I don't follow Uber, so. But as I was gonna say, I don't usually eat in the morning until noon, but this morning has already been a crazy one.
MSGM Motorsport Games making new
Went right
highs
down to
now,
where our final
spiking
take
here on heavy
profit was
volume.
there. That's frustrating.
20%. Michael Sandy up, Michael.
It's been like a $70, $80 trade. Can't beat him, join him, right, Jag?
What?
He went long there.
Yeah.
MSG, I'm going. That's
You guys don't have shares on MSGM, do you?
yeah. That's what I just said was going nuts. We only have 27,000 shares.
And
Probably
there's
gonna
not-
pass.
The volume is starting to come in it now, so.
Dang, should have left my order. I had it at like 1650 something, but then I saw the halt price go like way up, so I pushed it up.
Very
That's my
small
scalp it.
MSGM just cuz.
Through the pop through 17.
MSGM.
That's what kept getting me with CVE&A. And my next ad was always right at the halt price.
MSGM.
Order partially filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That was nice.
Sent.
Oh, what? I only got 80. Wait, what's going on here? It says I still have 82 shares.
ICU halted again on a circuit breaker.
Order partially filled.
India Charlie uniform
They like canceled the rest of my order. That was very weird.
on the way down now. $4.45.
Well, I have 22 shares left. That's better than the 82 out of 100
That's
I had.
India Charlie uniform.
I thought I got the fill right away, but was this some kind of news? Anybody know?
You only have 20K shares left.
We only started with 27K.
Okay.
Yeah, but they were holding up pretty good, so I figured I'd try to take advantage of the spread real quick.
What's the ticker?
MSGM.
Oh, you got in it?
Yeah, I took 100 shares, 1722. But I put them out immediately at
Karen.
Motorsport
71.
announced
TMC.
That was on Friday.
20 KTB.
Yep.
and it only filled me 18, but then canceled the rest of my order.
That's weird.
Yeah, so I had 82 shares left, so then I put them on the bid, and I only got 60 of them, so now I have 22 shares left. Just looking for this push down through the $0.50 here.
They had a direct offering on Friday.
Order cancelled.
Just gonna try to get out of this. Why not?
MSGM.
MGM now moving all global esports.
TKAT.
I expect almost a holiday.
Sent.
So is CVE&A almost trying.
Fed's Cook says we believe inflation can be contained without a large increase in unemployment. December wholesale inventories plus 0.1%.
TMCI.
Percent. ADBE, Adobe and Microsoft, MSFT, Adobe and Microsoft bring industry-leading
Watching TKAT.
experience through Microsoft Edge. That's Michael
MSGM.
Sandy Foxtrot Tango Alpha Delta
TKAT.
Bravo India Alpha Delta Bravo Echo.
TKAT. RGTI. RGTI.
Order
TKAT.
partially filled.
TKAT.
Order filled.
Taking Art, getting a spike here. Tango Kilo Alpha Tango, TKAT.
Send.
Shares up 46% now on Tango Kilo Alpha Tango.
MSGM.
Order cancelled.
Guess I should have got out of this MSGM, huh?
RILY, B. Riley, Dan David of Wolfpack Research. Dan David of Wolfpack Research makes the case that B. Riley's foray into lending to highly speculative
Order cancelled.
companies such as
Order
SPACs,
filled.
Arrows,
All out of that MSGM.
balance sheets, with a short
All out
Call on that.
MSGM.
Wolfpack short on
I'll be right back.
Romeo India Lima Yankee.
TMCI.
ICU, shares resume.
BTB. TMCI. KPRX. Bull.
APRX shares getting a pop here. Kilo Papa Romeo X-ray.
CELZ. 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 TKAT. TKAT. TKAT.
MSGM dollar.
BAC, Bank of America, to offer financing for residential electric vehicle chargers. That's Bravo Alpha Charlie. There's a charge point
TKAT.
holding spiking here.
TKAT.
Charlie Hotel Papa Tango.
BTB. TKAT. TKAT. TKAT.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
MSGM we.
Order cancelled.
That was probably a really bad ad. Right into that previous little resistance area. It's unnecessary ad of size.
CVNA go ga go.
Oh, halting. CVNA halting.
Halt.
CVNA, Carvana
Yay,
shares
fun times
are
for me.
halted now at the
Yeah,
highs on a
that,
circuit
sorry.
breaker. Charlie Victor, November Alpha, Carvana. CVNA halted at the highs. $16.02.
Yeah, it was kind of a dumb
21.5%.
ad. Hopefully it works out, but it's bouncing right off of it. Need it to go through. UAP's right there now. And this trade kind of sucks now. Like a lot. Come on, at least tried 20. Can't get through that 22. Buyers are stepping in that previous resistance. Come on, get through. There we go. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Not asking for much. 18.
Autofilled.
There we go.
Autofilled.
There we go.
TKAT $. Carrot.
I knew MSGM would probably end up like
TKAT.
this, but I wasn't about to let that turn into a red trade.
I was to 4 cents to enter damn. Serious boom.
David's in CBNA too.
No, TCAT. He just
Oh.
made $800 on it.
TX, METX.
I don't
Jag, you in here?
Announcing
Yeah,
No,
what's
he's
up?
Chat GPT.
What's the imbalance on CBNA?
Construction Web3 education program.
0.
At
Ha, ha,
Michael
ha, ha,
Echo
ha,
Tango
ha.
X-ray, METX.
Is no imbalance listed.
ATX pipe popping on that. Shares of Minton Holding spiking here, 48 cents, up about 40% now. Michael Echo Tango X-ray.
Guess I should have kept some of my shares on TCAT. I thought about it.
MSGM out all.
Are you in it, Thomas?
Yeah, 1560 average. Should be opening here shortly.
Yeah, a couple seconds. And it did not. Unless it's going to open a little late. Good news on it? I thought they were going bankrupt. Let's see. Carvana stock is up. Oh, it just opened.
CVNA.
CVNA, Carvana, resuming now. Charlie Victor, November Alpha, Carvana.
Autofilled.
Shares hitting 1635 at the high. Charlie Victor, November Alpha.
Took a starter myself.
Coming up at 10:30, crude inventories expecting 2.457 million plus 2.457 million distillates plus 97,000 and gasoline
Did you get
inventories
mad,
of built
Thomas?
at 1.271 million expected.
Order
Ha, ha, ha,
partially
ha, ha,
filled.
ha, ha.
Autofilled.
$.
Yes.
Good. Okay.
Look, sir. What's your average?
It's got to be green. It's got to be around. I think I got to be around 1590s.
93.
Marijuana moment reporting Minnesota marijuana legalization bill clears 7th House committee halfway to the floor.
All out right there.
Those green for you then, right?
Yeah, still not enough to make me green on a day.
ZCMT. ZCMT.
No
ZCMT.
feeling.
ZCMT.
Carvana making more highs now. Charlie Victor November Alpha. UK considering sending British
A
fighter
pretty
jets to
obvious
Ukraine,
line on
according
the
to a
daily
government
at
spokesperson.
1988. Just FYI. I mean,
CVNA.
that's pretty far away, but
Carvana hitting 1677 at the high.
damn, I
Charlie
was gonna
Victor
scalp
November
that.
Alpha.
Thought about longing it at the bottom.
Damn, that would have been a good scalp. I would not be taking any real size in this one, by the way.
No.
Fed Cook says not done with raising interest rates.
AI is back up to high a day.
That's from Fed Governor Cook.
Marius, good morning. Abel, or not Abel, Gordon, if you're still here, I mean, it's trying to bounce off yesterday's high, so there's a plus there, hopefully. CVNA feels like it wants to die.
Just flush.
I got back in again.
I jumped in small. I'm at 31, right where it's holding up at.
Can somebody go into my... Oh, sorry.
No. Dude, I was risking like 10 cents. I wasn't even going to high a day.
Gotcha. I was getting ready to say, can somebody go into my account on the days that I'm winning and just add a 0?
GFAINTB. Shout out to Team ISW Guru David with the killer trade
I
in
just wish it wasn't
TKAT.
SSR.
Beautiful.
Yeah, SSR sucks.
Actually, CVNA isn't SSR. It was. Oh no, sorry, I'm thinking of AI.
Yeah,
was in
AI
there.
and that MSGM was also.
Yeah, that's right.
CBLZ.
I was thinking it was CVNA.
Well, Thomas, I was about to say this feels like it's
Ah,
about
top
to dump.
ticket.
It felt like it was about to do that. It tried to go higher and got stuffed.
PSLA Tesla $202
Oh my goodness.
now. Tango Sandy Lima Alpha seeing more call activity on Tesla coming in.
CVNA outmost.
RDNT, RadNet launching enhanced breast cancer detection program. That's Romeo Delta November Tango.
MSGM CVNA TKAT trails, hell yeah, killer day. Like at B1. Carrot to the last part.
I scalped a little long on that. Hoping for a bigger push. All right, I'll be back, guys. Good luck.
All right, man.
Later.
Short interest in CVNA is 60%.
35.60. Oh, you're okay. You're at 35.60. That's not too bad. I was thinking you would have been, if you. I didn't know when you started it, obviously, but I was thinking somewhere probably up near 36. What's it gonna do?
EVAX.
GFAINTB here.
Oh man, been two pretty good trades there. NA and holding some shares on that TCAT. Later, Adelaide. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. We're getting there. We're getting there. I definitely could have capitalized a little bit more. Maybe on the top of CVNA here. Pretty obvious dump right here, if you ask me. Tried to go higher, got stuffed. Came back down to that same 24 area. Felt like
Coming
that was
up
a pretty
in
obvious
1
one.
minute, gasoline inventories,
But biggie.
a build of 1.271 million expected. Crude inventories, a build of 2.457 million, and distillates a build of 97,000 expected. APRX, Kiara Pharmaceuticals up about 17% now at the intraday high. Kilo Papa Romeo X-ray, APRX.
GFAI.
CoinDesk reporting Binance is organizing a consortium to try to rebuild trust in crypto.
GFAI. GFAI.
Cableworth I.
Waiting for the crude and gasoline data. Crude dipping a bit here.
Guys, this is let me find a ticker I know I'm not gonna trade. I'm testing out something real quick. That'd be something I can get in and out pretty easily. There we go, this will work. Demo, short. So if I hit this, supposedly I can just hit escape. Oh, it does work. Oh. All right. So if you have a button where you get, like say you get short or long, it doesn't really matter, but you have a button that loads an order. So load, see how it load? The only way to get rid of this before was to hit the enter key. But apparently if you don't have the escape key assigned to anything, it'll actually cancel it. So you don't have to do that. That's because I was looking into that because that's what screwed me on CVNA earlier. Let's see if we can get out of this
Crude,
for
a build of
a smidge win.
2.423 million.
Oh, what?
That's less than
It
expected.
says we lost 26 cents. It's crap. Cool. Okay, that's good to know. Yeah, so when CVNA, not CVNA, I'm thinking of, what am I thinking of? Lucid? No. Shield? No. Was it the first CVNA trade? Yeah, it was. It was when it went through. No? Oh, yeah. It was right here when it went through 15 on this candle. I was saying I would have got an ad there and it gave that immediate dump and we would have been out most of it there. Yeah, okay. It was that one. Ugh, look at this. Just pull back there, CVNA. Can't say we didn't see it coming.
FSTX up. LOL, I thought it was halted.
STRL Seadrill. Contemplated block sale in existing shares. Seller is contemplating selling 1 million shares in the company. That's Sandy Delta Romeo Lima. Shares of Seadrill dropping on that. Seadrill shares 42.50 now, down about 4.5%. STRL. BSGM, Biosec Technology, said on February 3rd, the company sold to investors an aggregate of 1.591
591 million shares. The company's common stock.
of the company's common stock. 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 The company's common stock at 86 cents per share. That's Bravo Sandy Golf Michael. Gasoline inventories now
Well,
out.
hopefully
Dropped
you got out of
a
Uber.
build of 5.008 million
SPY's dumping and it's not helping.
versus
Yeah, Uber
the
was moving down without the SPY
1.271
moving down, but now the SPY's moving down, which definitely can't be helping.
million expected, and distillates 2.932 million. That's ahead of estimate of build on distillates.
Has a ton of volume.
It's like CVNA couldn't give me that big dump right at a freaking halt like it normally does, huh? Go up, add, and then flush.
Yeah, almost kind of a pain. It was a pain the first time around when I was in it. Thankfully, it gave pullback before it did that crazy shit. It loved previous resistance, I'll tell you that. It's went right to it twice now.
BJDX.
BJDX 160 KTB. Seeing 192K.
BJDX. 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 BJDX.
PEG, PSG report that one man is dead after shooting outside company's corporate headquarters in Franklin Township, New Jersey. That's Papa Echo Golf. HROW is a Zach's home run pick.
HROW.
MSGM shares moving again back towards the highs. $17.88. Michael Sandy Golf, Michael.
Now 69K. Just works anyways. Yeah, taking profit early because of that. Whoa lol. Bah ha 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 ha. LOL. Out all.
HROW. HROW.
APRX, Kiara Pharmaceuticals hitting new highs now. Kilo Papa Romeo X-ray, APRX.
RGTI, PTGX.
And my oldest has a 2-hour early dismissal today. Oh boy. Is he off tomorrow too?
Garden Health, seeing the February 35 calls active now. Golf Hotel. Adam Feuerstein out with a tweet on SAVA says, my take on today's SAVA phase the enrollment update. Positive step forward, regardless of your ultimate view of Simulaflam. That's Sandy Alpha Victor Alpha SAVA. They're spiking on that.
PTGX.
SAVA, Sandy Alpha, Victor Alpha. Big spike on Cassava now on that Adam F tweet.
Sava moving.
Sava Bigger Co. 96K.
Cassava Science is hitting 31.20 now again.
Javon.
Adam Forrestine out with some positive comments on the enrollment update. SAVA.
Ugh.
RGTI.
Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't?
PTGX. RGTI. RGTI.
You see here, kid? You gotta just go for it.
What's up, peeps?
Nada, nada, nada. I'm watching Miss Sava.
Yeah, just for that. Ugh, I had such a frustrating morning, man. I had to delete my DOS, re-download it,
PQS.
after chatting with the DOS people to figure out why the fuck it wouldn't work. It was a nightmare.
Yo, yo, yo.
BQS.
Yo.
Oops. Sorry, I'll send you a nickel. Make up for your
The tone behind that I think deserves a dime.
Does it? Is that what happened? Dude, it was frustrating, man. Did you know DOS is in Vegas? I didn't know that until today, but
I did not.
it is located in Vegas. I could drive by their headquarters if I wanted. I guess I had a corrupt file in my DOS platform and it would not let me log in. Which is why I think it was shutting down my computer yesterday, which kind of makes sense. I think I would have traded some of the stuff too, but whatever. Hey Thomas, that CVNA trade is not green.
No, bro.
Really hard to tell, but it kind of looks like it would be.
The more I looked at it, yeah, I could agree with you. The first two trades are, smaller greens, and then the other one, I would agree with you, but it's not.
Yeah, just because it looks like you whacked it on this down candle and then covered it here. It's just hard to tell.
Yeah, it's not a terrible red. It's what I don't think I put it in there. I think it was like an eighth of my max loss, so it's not a terrible size loss.
Just an annoying trade because you clearly invested a decent amount into it, and
yeah, and then it's that not the third trade. I got lost in the trade again.
yeah, I can kind of tell. Normally, when I see a lot of arrows in a short period of time, for you, that seems like it's something wrong. Because you don't normally just whack stuff like that,
Well, the way I did whack it was after the halt. That
DBGI
would be normal.
hearing copyright, false advertising, and unfair competition lawsuit against the company has been dismissed. That's Delta Bravo Golf, India.
I actually forgot that one halted. I told you this morning has been a freaking nightmare, so. My focus has been nil. Literally, by the time I was focusing, I saw this like kind of the top move, and I was like, "What am I gonna do here?" I would have traded Uber. I liked Uber off the bell. I mean, there's so many charts that I liked that I couldn't do anything. Literally right before the bell, my computer shuts down, and I'm like, oh, what the heck? So I try to log back into DOS, it won't let me log in. Then I go to their website and I start messaging them.
Hey, I have a question for you, Devin.
What's up?
Would you rather your DOS not be working, or would you rather your son throwing up all over the carpet on the stairs at the same exact time? So like right before the bell.
Oh God, that's a tough one, dude. How close are the stairs to where I'm working? Can I
Can it
smell
sit for a while? Can I smell it?
Can I smell
Oh,
it?
you
from
can
the
smell
computer?
it. Yeah, you
Oh
can
crap,
smell
man! I'd rather my DOS not work and me just not trade in the morning. The smell of vomit really bothers me, bro. That is one of the things that even like when it's my kids, like okay, you deal with poopy diapers and stuff. Vomit, dude, that smell just gets me.
So right after that, my dog, the 16-year-old, he hasn't been feeling well. He's been having like runny and mucusy poop. And literally as I'm cleaning up the throw up, he's like scooting across the floor while pooping.
No.
And it's like the runny crap. At least that was on the hardwood, so it was a little easier to clean
So
up.
you got vomit and poop just everywhere.
Yep. And then my wife was like, "Do you need me to come home?" And I was like, "I mean, I'll be fine." And then she was like, "Well, I'm not feeling well either now. I'm just gonna come home."
Oh God.
So yeah, it's turning out to be a great. Oh, and then my oldest son, he gets off 2 hours early today, so he'll be home in about an hour and a half.
So he can come home and get sick too.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, awesome.
It's so yeah, eventful day for me as well. I did get the trade though, so there is that.
Yeah.
And you're 4 for 4.
5 for 5
It's fine,
technically.
dude.
Technically, I can't see that on your screen.
Second trade on CVNA.
I'm clearly updated on DOS now. I've got the newest best version. Weirdly, the second, and then I freaking get in there, and like everything was cool, like all my charts were right and everything, and all my hot buttons, everything's cool, except everything's bright white, and then I couldn't remember how to freaking get it to the dark mode, and I'm like, I can't trade with it like this.
Did you figure it out?
Yeah, I got it.
So when my DOS loads up, every single time now, it's stuck on the like grayish background inside the main window, and I have to go in, change it. Since I have it set to
SAVA, Kastava,
default or dark mode, I have to change it to default and then change it back to dark mode just to get it to the black background.
With the item
So
yeah, that freaking default is horrible looking, dude. I don't know how anybody trades with it like that. Like, that's the worst.
Yeah, it's so bright.
Alpha.
Ugh, dude. And I couldn't figure out what was happening at first, so I was trying to like click on like the montage, figure out like, why is it so bright? Yeah, I just kind of crapped out though. So did CVNA, so did Dash. Everything just died.
Came all the way back as well.
Yeah, pretty much. Every chart I had did something. I had I up, I had Carvana up. I mean, Dash I wouldn't have traded, but this Uber, I really liked it for a short, and it would have been really nice short. It was at the bell, but I'm not positive I would have taken it. So.
Did we ever find out a way
would have been the one
for the trend lines to stay on the charts like on a daily basis?
On DOS?
Yeah. So like if I were to close DOS and then reopen it. No, I don't think they do.
Lines,
I think every day.
Horizontal lines or rays?
Yeah, I know my horizontal lines stay.
Horizontal lines stay. You might want to try a ray.
No, but I want them to stay. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, but a
horizontal
ray,
lines should stay.
A ray might stay. A line might not.
My lines do stay. That's what I'm saying.
Right. I'm wondering why mine don't stay. I wonder if it's because my number is too.
Maybe check that number, or I mean, is it? What does it say?
It was at
Save to
300,
global
but
or
I just
something?
changed it. Yeah.
It should say save to global, I think.
Well, it just says global trendline limit. But I don't know if I even have mine set to be global. That's what I was curious about.
Let me see if I pick a line. Oh, my lines are a different color. That's weird. There's another thing that happened. Oh, mine don't even say that save to global. I don't even know what I've done, dude. It did not make the line over here. So send the global like this. Gosh, what a pain in the butt, dude. The only good thing, which isn't really that good, is I found out that DOS is here in Vegas. I thought that was kind of. I know exactly where their office is.
I found it. So it's right click on the chart and hit the top config, and then bottom left there's a checkbox that says auto load / save global trend lines.
Oh, that's it. Yep. I
didn't have mine checked.
Okay.
Cool. All right, let's check now.
Now it should save them. Oh man, CVNA. I might have shorted that below the halt, down here at 16 or something. I don't know if I would or not. Dude, I'm so off today. I hate it when crap like that happens. It just throws me through for such a freaking loop. But it crashed my
TNXP
computer.
up.
So then I went to log back in and it kept saying no server to connect or something. Like, what the hell is that?
What ended up being the problem?
It said normally means you have a corrupt file or something within the platform.
Watching THCH?
THCH up.
CELZ.
476k.
CELZ.
THCH.
Yeah, volume's crap. You're not.
Is it that error message normally means that some files in your platform folder have been damaged?
CELZ.
We recommend you reinstall the platform.
Carrot 6ish good spot on daily.
Then they have to send you the link. And
200 Emma. THCH. Yes. Mine's at 3.69.
is AI crash. I'm assuming you didn't short that THCH.
No, I mean, I would have tried getting in on the ask anyway because of the spread, and it never printed up there again, so I wouldn't have got filled.
Pulled it up and saw a 15% spread here. I was like, oof. Well, that's
3.68,
freaking
sorry.
frustrating. Yesterday was a little slow, and then today we had an issue. It just means tomorrow's going to be amazing. Looks like AI got Jag earlier, huh?
Yeah, that one was kind of a pain.
I think he jumped in long and made it back though.
Did he?
Or made some back or something like that.
I can't imagine that one trade made it all back, but it was only like 20, no, maybe 30-cent gain. It looks like 25.80. Looks like it went against him a good dollar in the first move. Unless he just decided, screw it, I'm going balls to the wall. Ugh. Holy cow, right there.
KPRX, more new highs now. Kilo Papa Romeo X-ray up about 20%. KPRX,
Yeah, I'll be back in a little bit, guys.
Go find something to trade, man.
ISE Iberic Bio, the February 25 calls on India Sandy Echo Echo. Shares of Google right now down about 8% at $98.98 after in a demonstration the company's AI chatbot Bard offered inaccurate information. That's Golf Oscar Oscar Golf Golf Oscar Oscar Golf Lima. APRX seeing some big volume coming in now. Kilo Papa Romeo X-ray.
CCMD.
DCMD getting a pop here. Bang Chao. Company earlier announcing Chat GPT for patient management service. That's Zulu Charlie Michael Delta.
KPRX.
SECO, Siku, getting a pop here. San Diego Charlie Oscar. $3.92, up 3% for SECO.
What was that, Mr. Thomas?
What?
Google is wrong and Tim will prove it.
Yeah, I was correct. Didn't you do it?
You damn right I did.
SEC Limited seeing activity in the June 100 calls on.
And I started working. I couldn't put in my other
Echo
phrase because it was going to say, and then if he can't find it, he'll just justify it between some historical logic. So he still ends up in his head as being right. But you found it.
No, if I would have found out I was wrong, I would have posted it and said I was wrong.
Well, yeah, but if you didn't find anything, you would have said DOS was made back in 1972 before this other program, so it has to be right. It's been around longer.
No, I would have been like, why is DOS wrong? I would have actually. I probably would have went and started a conversation with DOS, asking him like, what's going on here?
SEC OC Coop spiked to the high $4.10, now up more than 6%. That's Sandy Echo Charlie Oscar. GLW Corning increasing its quarterly dividend. That's Gulf Lima Whiskey. Corning increased its dividend 3.7% from 27 cents to 28 cents. That's Gulf Lima Whiskey GLW.
KAL.
GPS Gap, the February 24, 13.5 calls on Gulf Papa Sandy.
quote, quote, quote.
Do we have any shares on this? They do. Sure, I'd want to trade it, but
S&P futures falling here 41.28.25.
BTB.
I mean, I'm still here. I wouldn't really say I'm still going. I'm about to actually get off and make some lunch to prepare for my oldest getting home early. All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go make some food. Salad today. Appreciate y'all being here. Decent day. Can't complain. I will make the video for later, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Peace out.
ELC getting up top here. Charlie Echo Lima Zulu. CELZ, some big volume coming in now to Creative Medical Tech. CELZ, earlier company announcing FDA clearance for their trial for treatment of type 1 diabetes. That CELZ now halted on a circuit breaker